Want to grow your YouTube channel in 2024? Whether you're a budding creator or trying to level up your game, this is the ultimate guide to take your channel from zero to hero. The first step is knowing your niche. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What value can you offer your audience? Find a niche you love and can consistently create content around. Remember, specificity attracts loyal viewers. Consistency is key. Post regularly, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, and focus on quality over quantity. Invest in good lighting, clear audio, and basic editing to make your videos look professional. First impressions matter. Your thumbnail and title are the first things people see. Use bold colors, high-quality images, and intriguing text to grab attention. Pair it with a compelling title that sparks curiosity. For example, I tried trending topic for a week, here's what happened. Works like magic. Build a community by engaging with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. The more connected your audience feels, the more likely they are to stick around. Stay updated on trends in your niche. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find trending keywords and incorporate them into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Trends can give your channel a massive visibility boost. Collaboration is a powerful way to grow. Partner with creators in your niche to reach new audiences. Joint videos, shoutouts, or even guest appearances can help you gain subscribers fast. YouTube Shorts are exploding in popularity. Create bite-sized content to capture viewers' attention quickly. Don't forget the community tab. It's perfect for engaging your subscribers with polls, updates, and teasers. Use YouTube Analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. Check your click-through rate, audience retention, and watch time. Use this data to improve future videos. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with focus, passion, and these strategies, your channel can grow faster than ever. So, what are you waiting for? Hit record and start creating today. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tips.